Okay, now we have blueberries. Blueberries.
Ooh, did you see that? Chef Matthew was teaching us how to sign blueberries in ASL, or American Sign Language.
And these are kiwi.
Whoa, you see these? They look so yummy.
And there's no sign for kiwi, so you have to spell.
Okay.
K, K, I, W,
W.
I. Whoa, that was really cool. Let's see if we can spell that one more time, a little slower. And this time, you can try to follow along with us if you like. Are you ready?
So, K, I, W, I. Kiwi. Doesn't have a sign, so you just spell it. Whoa, and what about this over here?
These are strawberries.
Whoa, have you eaten a kiwi before? They're so sweet. Chef Matthew, do you have a favorite fruit?
I love having strawberries all year round, but during the summer, I love eating blueberries.
Ooh, I love eating blueberries in the summer too.
Wow, this smiley face has a really big smile. Look at it. Whoa.
You missed the nose.
Oh no, what are we gonna do for the nose? Wait a minute, I know. We have a strawberry. So silly. This is gonna be a really cool nose. And I bet this smiley face is really happy because it gets to smell like strawberries all the time. Okay, here we go. And we need a little more strawberries so it tastes super good. So let's make some strawberry.
Some ears. Yeah, let's put some ears on the side.
Maybe add a tongue.
A tongue? Whoa, that's a really good idea. Okay, it looks like we're done decorating all of the pizza. Well, this was so much fun learning about ASL and making a really delicious smiley face treat.